In front of me is Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access apps. Then click on Dual Apps and click on gray switcher next to any of those apps to clone it. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up and wait. If you wish to clone one of those recommended apps, tap on the chosen one. Use gray switcher next to Dual Apps feature. Wait as well. And over here, adjust all of those options. Just click on the chosen one and apply one of those. So when I go back and check my apps, I can see that they were successfully cloned. To delete those clones, go back to the same settings and hit No Blue Switchers. Then confirm your choice in the pop-ups. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!